was your boyfriend.
Time for 96.7 Yes FM Entertainment News.
Okay, we have this whole deal that happened early yesterday morning with Lindsay Lohan and her mom, Dina.
Yeah.
911 was called. This after they went partying till 4 a.m. I don't know many daughters who go party with mom till 4 a.m.
Yeah, but they have a different kind of relationship.
Obviously.
Yeah, and of course, it ended in that 911 call. Lindsay and Dinah, like I said, they went clubbing in New York City, and they got into an argument. They argued in the car, and it turned into something pretty physical by the time they got home.
Yeah.
Lindsay ended up with a big gash in her leg. They had some kind of a scuffle. There was property damage.
Wow.
She said, this is what Lindsay said, she is held against her will.
The caller on 911. We're still waiting for that call to be released. Once it's out, it'll be everywhere. It'll be on TMZ. You can listen to it.
But it wasn't just her mother either. It was the driver. The driver was helping her. I don't know.
I don't know. It's a mess. Lindsay Lohan's mess of a life continues.
Alcohol and other things.
All right, so we've heard the whole deal with Mariah Carey and Nicki Minaj, the alleged feud, which I'm sure is publicity fueled.
Oh yeah.
What does Stevie Nicks, a legend, think about this whole mess?
Well, she talks like this through her nose, and
she was pretty upset. She was sticking up for Mariah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she said she wanted she actually threatened. Well, I say threatened. She said she would basically strangle Nicki. To her death.
Oh,
She'd say basically kill her. Stevie, oh my God, take it easy.
I think Stevie's been a mentor on the show, hasn't she?
Yeah, she was. She was a mentor of the show, so she's got a little bit of a,
The producer saying, can we get her back on the show?
I think so.
Can she come on and do something?
Let's face it,
can she sing? Does she have an album coming out?
She hasn't quite released anything good lately, so why not put her on American Idol? That's where all those washed-up stars end up eventually, right?
Yeah, that's true.
If you go to the Yes FM YouTube channel right now, you can see what you just heard. Go ahead. You know you want to. Get the link at Facebook or at yesfm.com.
We want you on our team, as in Team Yes FM.